Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hnin. If you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you know every time I upload. I've been falling in love with this hot pink color in the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I wanted to create a look for it using the palette. So this is my second look. The first look is already up. If you guys haven't checked it out, I'll leave a link down below so that you guys can go check it out. Don't forget to also follow me on my social media platforms if you haven't, so that we can always stay in touch. All the products that I use will be listed down in the description box as usual, and let's get straight into the video. I'm applying this hot pink all over my eyelid and all the way to a little bit above my crease line, and then I'll just use a fluffy brush with no product on to soften up the edges. I'm picking up this reddish brown color and then blending it in the crease line. I wanted a nice faded look, so I'm picking up this other color called Zulu and then putting it on the crease line. Then I wanted to fade it into an orange type of color, so I'm picking up this color with a smaller brush and blending it. Without any product on the fluffy brush, I'm just blending the colors. To deepen up the outer corner, I'm picking up this dark brown shade and putting it on my outer corner and blending it. I think I need some more pink, so I'm putting that in. And you want to mix the two colors together, the pink and the brown, so that it can go around here. Now I'm just mixing this and this together to do here. Once you're happy with everything, you can now take off the tape. On the lower lash line on the outer corner, I'm mixing this dark brown and Zulu together and placing it. Now I'm just tight lining my waterline. Draw your wing liner and put some falsies on. In the inner corner, I'm picking up this color and putting it. So I'm gonna go off camera and finish off my full makeup, and I'll come back to show you guys which lipstick I'm gonna pair this look up with. So I'm back, you guys, and I'm going to pair this look up with Kylie's lip kit, Candy K. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and if you guys loved it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!